Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking and sharing my heart for a second time at Jefferson County Traditional Middle School here in Louisville, Kentucky. Beautiful building, beautiful people, and it was all heart today. The main focus was on diversity, needing human kindness, and this took it up a level from when I came last school year when I focused on bullying, seeing people for their heart before anything else first. Today we chose to really try to understand everybody's differences, whether they're inside, outside, that we still show that same level of respect, empathy, and compassion no matter what. We can always still choose to be positive. Like the shirt says, keep your head up, upside down on purpose, that when we feel down, look down, if something in our life is happening. I had some students share their hearts with me that were in tears, and there's something on their heart currently in their life that they're struggling to get through and we're seeking advice for. But at the end of the day, the best way to either honor someone's legacy if they lost somebody, or to help out with a current bullying situation, is to choose love, is to choose kindness, and that you honor that person that you may have lost, that they live on in your hearts. But you also rise above any hate that someone's showing you and become the bigger person and hopefully help to heal hearts when it comes to someone that's not treating you with that same level of love that you want to be treated with yourself. Again, it was a beautiful day. We reinforced the concept that all of us are true miracles, right? M for miracle on our palms, upside down, W for worthy, that we are able to see everybody around us as miracles, beautiful people. And once we know that we are good enough, truly, that we can go out and be the light to someone else's heart. We talked about how, if we live to be 80, on average, we're going to have taken 673 million breaths. That's about 23,000 a day. Heartbeats 3.4 billion on average if we live to be 80, and that's about 115,000 a day. But our goal is to make as many count as possible, and we start doing that by showing kindness and making that our motto for life and part of our everyday life. And we keep showing that heart, keep being the change that Gandhi talks about in this world. Mark Twain did say that two most important days in your life are the day that you're born and the day that you find out why. And our why are the people to the left of us, the right of us, inside these school walls, out inside of all of Louisville, on this planet Earth, that we can be the change that is so needed right now in this world, on this planet, by choosing kindness and choosing love and going out and spreading that each and every day. Thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. Much love. Peace.